드숨들의 참말라 드링 단다 최지 당보유 스리시라 아니 싸니 말이 아주 드링 때문 다가져야이 때문에 추시강조레샤 추시강조레샤라 아니 추시강조디 대팟 나네 대신 두제 숨도 땡겨서 사단한 저 인공 기업까지 추진이와 있을 때문에 다가져야이 아니 한주 패를 저기라 간데간 차이도 땡고 그런데 추시강조를 대한 저기 get up the Jawara, and Mondiggy, and the Nami Samadre, Jabu Senchel, the Demosun Pebara, and the people like Jabu application for some good. And also, Demotagaji, number 7 show that Demochasan to Marina, Pegula Content and the Chungo system was some so. That's so. And also, turn to window, Pesho, Giego the chip. Lhasa, I'm going to Tibetanyoutuber Dorjee, Chushi Kangtuk. So, the number Lhasa, the number Dorjee. Oh, this. Non bullish. Today ropa le thosa ni khonjo keu chinte risha thiri kemunta talechi ani namshi yakupet chicken Lhasa. Cosa essere mi sembra ya nang lu go to san ma zhe de guarda non ci sono Lhasa ci shaken non so Lhasa da da te ka ora nang lu zhe Wangdi sarani also Wangdi there. Totally. No. 이제 너무 쉬울래. 망치 배봤다. 한치 야도 내这个大썼더라. 다 간데钱하시. 디 퍼스널 딱 때문에 되게 좋아. 되게 프린트아웃 చేయండి బా
Did they get you extra large?
Come on. 난 달랑을 쓰게 파야 되시. 미든 저 카다요 되시. 네, 오늘 수를 찍었는데도 잡으러는 7시간 주거지. 다요죠. 네 다요죠기. 문주 괜찮아. 나 나무 패서. 그저. 다들 가수심이 제다용의 망고도. 근데 나 오늘 제일 아주.
Okay. Önce de grup çıkılıyordu.
History, identity, and the ever-enduring strength of the Tibetan people. We are so excited to present this film to our fellow Tibetans. Now please join me in welcoming to the stage the writer, director, producer, and music composer of this award-winning film, an older brother to me, and the one only, Dorjee.
Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? I'm sorry, I might look a little flustered because I am. Because it's been a hectic schedule for me. Not just making the film, but traveling with it, pretty much doing everything, you know, because this is a super independent film. It's not a studio-backed film. So apart from writing, producing, directing, horse wrangling, doing the action directing, composing the music, and playing instruments, I also did the entire publicity and marketing myself. And I'm traveling to different cities. So I just got back from Boston. We had, so far, sold out shows everywhere till now. And this is your film. My name is Shen Pen, for those of you who don't know me. It takes an army to make a film. You know, even though I was the captain of the ship, I was the one, you know, that kind of led this. It took me 13 years to make this. I spent 10 years just researching and reading, and I read every single book on 4 Rivers, 6 Ranges, and the recent Tibetan history. Every single book under the sky, every single dissertation, PhD dissertation. I watched every single interview. So my research took about 10 years. And 2022, I was preparing to start pre-production for this film. And then I was introduced to my co-producer, Dorjee Wangdi Dewatshang, and we joined hands, and he wanted to make this film for the last 30 years. So we just clicked right away, and then he was my co-producer, and then we made the film in 2023. So even the casting directing, like every single actor in this film, I casted them myself. So we didn't have a casting agency, we didn't have an agent, you know. So I'm not trying to exhibit that I'm a Renaissance man or a multi-talented man. It just, you know, means to an end. I had no choice. This film had to get made. And anyhow, I was going to make it. So I've been working, pretty much, I've been clocking 18 to 20 hours every day for the last 5-6 years. And I've been sleeping 2 to 4 hours. Because there's a desperate need for us to tell our stories. There's a desperate need to take control of our own narratives. You know, we should not be apologetic anymore. We should not play victim anymore. We should stop playing, you know, that we should stop all that. We have to be proud. We have to take control of our story. You know, China, for example. China took our country, invaded our country. You pillage our nation. You destroy our culture. You destroy our natural resources. You know, you call His Holiness the Dalai Lama a separatist. He's not able to go back, and it's his 90th birthday. They're replacing everything in Tibet. They're changing the name of our nation, Tibet. So why the hell should we say sorry and be apologetic? So, you know, I stand in front of you very proud today and humbled at the same time, because I present to you your film. Every single Tibetan. This film belongs to every single Tibetan inside and out. And it is about time we honor our heroes. All these Chuchikhandu Paos, the heroes. We have to pay our respect and tribute. And we have to be proud of our stories. This story and this film is made for all Tibetans. Every single Tibetan. Uzang, Amdo, Kaba, Choga, Choluk, all the 5 Choluks, everybody, every single Tibetan. It is our story. So please be proud of the film, of your story. Let's not downplay anymore. Let's stop appeasement. How long are we gonna, you know, depend on Richard Gere? He's been amazing. He's been amazing. But when are we gonna have our own Richard Geres? It's about time we create our own Richard Geres. It's about time we have our own movie stars and athletes and fashion designers, you know, role models for all these young Tibetans, so that they can look up to him and say, I can do that too. It's about time. We have to stop this donation culture, shendepki culture, we have to stop the Jackson Island table thing, the ticket long issue saying a sumchung like chicken, Tandai chicken, some shower manzo, Nense table chore, Yake tambore, mixing number is secure manzo, Namche Gotona Semham, Tema, Chuzo, Ripa, Sama Yake tambore. And Chunga share up the Ishe Yaketan, Zambolin the Chapsi Gotseruche, get up Gotseruche, and Povatone, Sukans do the Gogurgumare, Yaketan boy, the take it. So, through this film, you know, I have given my life to this film. You know, I've given my heart and soul, blood, sweat, and tears. Literally, I went through fire in this film. I did so many things because this film had to be made. I didn't have money to get an action director. I wanted to get a very well-known action director from Korea. I went to Seoul, but you know, he really tried to help me, and he, you know, we had meetings in Seoul. But eventually, even though he tried, his action and stunt team's budget was bigger than my film's budget. So I couldn't, so I was disappointed. But I said I would do it myself. So I did the action choreography all myself. I wanted to get the horse wranglers, somebody to teach horses. And they were very expensive too. So I decided to teach horse riding too. So everything you see there. And then obviously music and, you know, writing, dialogues, everything. So I put in my heart, soul, blood, non-stop. And I did this for you guys. I did this for Tibet. I did this for our cause. I did this for His Holiness. So from the bottom of my heart, with utter humility and dignity, I stand in front of you, a proud Tibetan filmmaker. It's about time. This is the first time in the Tibetan history in exile that we've seen a lineup to this morning. Every city, There's a lineup of blocks of people, Tibetan people waiting to get in. This is the first time a Tibetan artist has been able to do. We are behind. So first time, Ray. So please, I'm very happy that you guys are here. I'm so proud to see you all, especially a lot of young Tibetans everywhere I go. Europe, America, Canada, everywhere, all these young Tibetans. And the reason why I'm traveling with this film is not just to show the film. I'm traveling so that I get to meet all of you, so that I get to meet all these young Tibetans and tell you, please dream. We need dreamers. All young Tibetans here, please. Can you guys all stand up? All college kids and school kids, please. Can you just stand up for 1 minute? All college, university, everybody here. Oh, okay. Stand up, please. Okay. Hear me out. Okay, hear me out. All you guys, look at me. I'm so happy to see you all, my little brothers and sisters. We might not know each other personally, but you are all bonded with me through karma, because we're Tibetans. So you guys, please dream. We need dreamers, okay? But make sure you protect your dream. Whatever it is that you want to do, you dream, but please protect your dream. And I promise you, if you protect your dream will guide you. I'm a living example. Today, I'm making films in Hollywood and Bollywood now. My next film, for you guys, are good news. All you young people. My next film is the first Tibetan Himalayan vampire movie. We've already started pre-production. And I have my amazing cast with me here. My co-producer, Dorjee, Wangdi, Dewatshang is here. And my cinematographer, director of photography, Brandon Lee Cox from Hollywood. He shot 30 Hollywood films, worked with all major actors. He shot this film. So please stick around for the Q&A. We will all be back. Thank you guys, please sit. Thank you. All the elders, please, can I do public gamut? Rochunagi, Shokamatobracha, Kanato. Kanato Kare, in Kareyone, Robilla, Gapiachuroche. Yimachik. You guys, all you guys, discipline, consistency, and self-belief. Bet on yourself, okay? But become excellent. Don't chase success, chase excellence. Be excellent at what you do, and success will come, okay? This has been a very, very lonely journey for me. 30 years. I've been laughed at, I've been talked about, I've been ridiculed, I've been humiliated. But today I stand proud in front of you. 30 years of lonely journey. I'm proud to present 4 Rivers, 6 Ranges, your turn.
Achala semdo manang, achala rangdo manyo. Sidong ni nam kenchare, jatsundi lungi tondo. Tham chala lote mache, lang sola zemo matse. Gang chung tse lamde jalam shi yang kang che. Oh yeah yeah, oh yeah yeah. Bitse di te kisana, tola ning bukona, simduda mikjudi kyalira kyune shuda. Yeah yeah, oh ah jala, tumda shi tena. chala tumdang shikda oh chala yeah oh chala tumdang shikda changrala go makor che sola nang chuma che le to me pecaro la se shi yang kang che
이거 뭐 35 가 35